This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
The Court and Office of District and Session Judge East Khasils District Shillong haga kharkhandai trek ujlio archapsan klai por shoes arsngi ku pulit ban pelong chuntoket lani ke police custody ya ka sonam Raj Singh Kushwaha ki balakadau dang kti ka basla penyap raja ro ke vanshi kat bai Vishal Singh Chauhan Wakash Rajput wa Anand Kurmi la pengat judicial custody hadu khatsau sngi la pentep utushar Chandra balam khamar ikhunhun ki mukhtiar na ka prosecution Kadai kecing panpor ki pulet kadai hadian belakut nak kecing aipor berprasngi bal ai kecing tian bishar benungkong ya kini kisan ngot mana khadwai trek uceliau arja opsan na kecing toket berprasngi ya kini kisan ngot hakini khiniat sngi beladam lai lamru sya parking lot red arliang hacan aksya waisodong ban batai benia ekor kompani ap cungki yu raja hak bakilai thu bagilapom yu raja da arli ki wait Bye Sonam.
Sonam and her boyfriend is given 2 days police custody and others they were remanded for judicial custody. Sonam and this Raj Kushwaha given 2 days police custody and others that is Anand, Vishal and Akash they were given 14 days judicial custody.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya